Page number 5, question number 6. What is a wavefront? Wavefront definition. The locus of all points having the same phase at a given instant of time is called as a wavefront. The direction of propagation of the wave is perpendicular to the wavefronts, that is along the radii of the circle. The speed with which the wavefronts move is the speed of the wave. Here, that is propagation ची वेवची जी डायरेक्शन आहे ती वेवफ्रंट्सला परपेंडिक्युलर असते. Here, water waves are two-dimensional waves, that is along the surface waves. Sound waves and light waves are the three-dimensional waves. म्हणजे sound wave आणि light wave या three-dimensional waves आहेत. Question number 7. What is a wavefront? How is it related to rays of light? What is the shape of the wavefront at a point far away from the source of light? Wavefront. Here, the surface which is passing through all points having the same distance from the source and having the same phase is called as a wavefront. Here, source is at the center. Source हा सगळ्यात सेंटरला असतो and the wavefronts are spherical, that is cross sections are seen as circles. जे वेवफ्रंट्स हे स्पेरिकल आकाराचे असतात त्यामुळे त्याचे जे क्रॉस सेक्शन घेतलेले आहेत कट घेतलेला आहे वेवफ्रंटचा तो सर्कल प्रमाणे दिसतो. Here, page number 6. The arrows are perpendicular to spherical surfaces and show direction of propagation of the waves. Arrow जे आहेत ते बाण आहेत ते स्पेरिकल वेव सरफेसला परपेंडिक्युलर असतात आणि ते वेवची दिशा दाखवतात. These arrows are the rays of light. The shape of a wavefront is spherical wavefront at a point far away from the source of light. स्पेरिकल वेवफ्रंटचा जो शेप आहे तो सोर्स ऑफ लाईट पासून लांब असतो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. व्हॉट आर टाइप्स ऑफ वेवफ्रंट्स? टाइप्स ऑफ वेवफ्रंट्स. नंबर 1 स्पेरिकल वेवफ्रंट, नंबर 2 प्लेन वेवफ्रंट, नंबर 3 सिलेंड्रिकल वेवफ्रंट. आता आपण एक नंबर पॉईंट पाहू. स्पेरिकल वेवफ्रंट. द वेवफ्रंट विच करस्पॉन्ड टू ए diverging beam of light and which are spherical in shape and at a point at a large distance away from source is called as a spherical wavefront. आता इथे आपण डायग्राम पाहू. सोर्स इज ॲट पॉईंट O, म्हणजे हा सेंटर ॲट द सेंटर O इज प्रेझेंट आणि हा सोर्स आहे त्याच्यापासून ॲरोज दाखवलेले आहेत. Figure 1 spherical wavefront corresponding to diverging beam of light. These are spherical waves. Page number 7. Plane number 2 point plane wavefront. When a small portion of wavefront is taken, it will appear to be a plane surface with the direction of propagation perpendicular to it and the ray of light which are parallel corresponding to a parallel beam of light show direction of propagation of wave. Then it is called as a plane wavefront. Here diagram of plane wavefront. Here 3 planes are included. 3 planes आहे इथे 3 प्रतले घेतलेली आहेत. Figure 2 plane wavefronts corresponding to parallel beam of light. These are plane waves. Number 3 cylindrical wavefront. The definition पाहू आपण. When the source of light is linear, that is along a line, the wavefront will be cylindrical. The source हा linear आहे किंवा straight आहे. Huygens had derived that light is a wave similar to a mechanical wave, like the water wave or sound wave, propagating in ether. हायजेनने हे सांगितलं की लाईट वेव्ज या अशा प्रकारच्या मेकॅनिकल वेव्ज आहेत की ज्या वॉटर वेव्ह किंवा साऊंड वेव्ह प्रमाणेच इथरमधून पास होऊ शकतात.